Engineered in Centennial, Colorado, ULA's Vulcan rocket is built in Decatur, Alabama, and launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida. Once the rocket is manufactured, it travels to Cape Canaveral on ULA's cargo ship, known as Rocket Ship. After arriving in Florida, ULA's launch operations team begins assembling the rocket. Stacking begins with lifting the 109-foot Vulcan booster, powered by twin BE-4 engines, onto the Vulcan launch platform. For additional thrust at liftoff, solid rocket boosters are attached to the sides of the first stage. Following interstage mate, ULA's ultra-thin stainless steel Centaur upper stage, powered by two RL-10C engines, is then lifted into position. Lastly, the payload fairing, containing the spacecraft, is lifted and mated to the Vulcan rocket. Once assembled, the countdown begins with moving the rocket from the vertical integration facility to the launch pad. The trip to the pad is about 1/3 of a mile. Throughout the 20-minute trip, a support van leads the move, followed by the payload van, providing communication with the spacecraft, and the ground van, providing support to the rocket. The Vulcan launch platform supplies air conditioning, electrical, and propellant lines to the rocket. Track mobiles at the rear power the convoy, which includes an environmental control system, providing air conditioning to the payload and rocket, as well as a backup generator. Vulcan arrives at the pad for fueling and other final preparations, and once fueled, weighs nearly 1.7 million pounds and stands 202 feet tall.